What's up, you guys? I got this package and I just came back from school and I was really excited because before I tell you, I just screamed at school and I'm so excited because this is gonna arrive in October 27th or October 24th, but it just arrived in October 19th. So let's get started on opening this, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button to get notified when new posted videos. So just go get my scissors. Okay, I'm back and I got my scissors. Now let's get to opening this. I think it's just glued on or some stuff. I thought this was going to be a box at first. Okay, I just ripped it. Now let's just get to opening this. Just wait, guys. Okay, sorry about that, you guys. It was just my noisy cousin. I'm just opening this. Hopefully there's no damage. Okay. So wow, I found my stuff. And this is not a good packaging because look, it's opened already. Okay, but whatever. So first we got our little stress ball. It's a pineapple stress ball. Let's open it. And by the way, my cousin's here too. I just didn't want her to make noise. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. Okay, I'm sure you saw that. Yeah, my cousin wants to feel it, you guys, but just look at it. Wait. It's sticky. It's sticky. Can I feel it? Yeah, wait. It doesn't smell like much. It's just smell. And monkey noodles. Ew, this is like squishy. Okay, she's playing with it. And so we got these monkey noodles. They're just random colors. Can you see that? Stretch them. And we got our little pea poppers. As you can see, there's a face. Pea poppers. Pea poppers. And I'm not gonna break these. I got two because my cousin wanted them. And my classmate wanted a toy too, so I got the Simple Dimple. Oh, and this is with what is this called? Keychain. And my cousin's playing with a dimple, she's playing. This is literally so hard to pop. Oh, but wow, this is so fun. Oh, puppets. Now, this one's for my classmate. Okay, she just whispered. I'm sorry if that disturbed you guys. Okay, puppet. Wow, and this is a really good quality puppet. Wait, it's actually a hard puppet, and wow. She's playing with a dimple right now. And that dimple is so high quality, not like the bad dimples. And she might not be wondering, on why it's a different color than the picture, because I ordered a random color. And I also got this, an infinity cube. It's a small, or is this just infinity cubes that are normal? Well, you gotta comment down below. I can literally not open this. Woo. Okay, and that's mine. Because I told you I'm not buying you one, and I asked you if you wanted to buy one, but you didn't. I got an infinity cube, and I'm never bringing a toy again to school. Sorry guys, she's just whispering out stuff. And it makes weird sounds. I never hear that. Wow, this is so fun to play with. But I can't just do this all day. Oh wait, oh wow. Okay, that's enough playing. Now let's go rate these fidgets in another place.